condemn your country. Don't curse Nigeria. It's a beautiful land of prosperity. It is our country. This is a lovely country, Nigeria. The love we share, each other's neighborhood, extension of love. It's a community. Yes, we are challenged. That is true. No nation that is not currently challenged one way or the other. But it is with God-given talent and resolve of all of us to say that we will overcome the challenges and turn it to prosperity by the grace of God. We will. We will turn it around. There's a very good bright light at the end of the tunnel. I believe it also that somewhere in the height of the storm is some corner of calmness and joy for those who we serve with faith and determination. We've seen the challenges of insecurity. Yes, many nations go through it. Some of those prosperous nations today, they look back, they will find in the history of their nation bloods on their snows. They fought battle to be what they are. Maybe our weather that is beautiful, our land that is rich, our parents that is loving has spoiled us. They didn't win us early enough from breastfeeding. So every minute we have to spare with a cry of hunger. We didn't forget our childhood, but we will believe in the prosperity and the love and care of that woman, the mother, Nigeria. And with you, no matter what degree of lamentation is, my own is don't give up. As long as we don't, as long as we are determined to change our country, it is our own to change. Nobody, all these things, America, Britain, France, and others, they can't love us better than ourselves. And if we get there, some of you are going to, Holy Promulgation Mecca, and you see the glittering of light and everything. Yes, we have it, we can do it. You go to Dubai, you see the glittering and all of that. Yes, we can do it. We can drive on good roads like they have on their infrastructure. We can have education that is first class. And Nigerians are respected. We give you the assurance as a government that you will be our priority, but not because of you, it's just because of your children. Who do we hand over to? Share that love with us. Believe in the understanding of temporary challenges. Yes. Nigeria is strong, has a good reputation across the world. No military men respect us better than we respect ourselves. No terrorist can defeat our spirit. No matter how bad they target the soft targets, going to the backyard of a school in Kuriga and evacuating some children and giving the wrong figures, it doesn't defeat us. It doesn't. We have together, bond together, and deal with them. Only yesterday, I was at the funeral service of the 17 heroes of Nigeria, being buried. But some of their wives are pregnant and little kids, their lives. The love of the nation is in your hand. The prayer is in your mind. Pray for our country. Educate our children. All the members of our church and mosque, the sermon we give to them is important. We don't condemn your own nation. The Yoruba man and our father will say, no matter how slippery the bottom of your child, leave the bead there. Leave the bead there. This is your country. Don't condemn it in sermons. Don't abuse the nation. Leadership are meant for changes. Yes, this leader is bad, fine. Wait until it's time to renew his mandate and say no. But don't condemn your country. Don't curse Nigeria.